Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Praxis General Science exam? This is Praxis Test Code 5436. Praxis 5436 is a test with several subtopics. This problem set includes questions from the subtopic of life science. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Question number 1. Which of the following major human body systems contains the largest organ? Endocrine system, integumentary system, nervous system, or circulatory system? The endocrine system, nervous system, and circulatory system do not contain the largest organ in the human body. The correct answer is the integumentary system, which includes the skin, the largest organ. Question number 2. Penguins survive longer in extremely cold environments by using adaptation. Which of the following is an example of a structural adaptation of penguins? Penguins huddle closely in big groups to keep each other warm. Male penguins stay at their homes, while female penguins hunt for prey during winter to compensate for the shortage of prey. Penguins have two colors, black and white, which help them blend with the color of the ocean while swimming. Or, the male penguins can survive 100 consecutive days without eating during winter. The options: penguins huddle closely in big groups to keep each other warm, and male penguins stay at their homes while female penguins hunt for prey during winter to compensate for the shortage of prey, describe behavioral adaptations, not structural. The option: the male penguins can survive 100 consecutive days without eating during winter, is an example of physiological adaptation. So the correct answer here is penguins have two colors, black and white, which help them blend with the color of the ocean while swimming, as it describes a structural adaptation for camouflage. Question number 3. Petunias live for years. They also produce flowers every year. In which of the following seasonal life cycles do they belong? Annual, hardy annual, perennial, or biennial? The options annual and hardy annual refer to plants that complete their life cycle in 1 year. Biennial plants complete their life cycle in 2 years. The correct answer is perennial, because petunias live for multiple years and produce flowers annually. Question number 4. The genetic code of all living things is deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. It is composed of nitrogenous bases, phosphates, and deoxyribose. There are 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These base pairs are connected via hydrogen bonds. However, the polynucleotide, or the long chain of nitrogenous bases, are held together by which type of bond? Peptide bonds, ester bonds, phosphodiester bonds, or glycosidic bonds? The options, peptide bonds and glycosidic bonds, refer to different types of biological molecules, not DNA. Ester bonds are also incorrect. The correct answer here is phosphodiester bonds, because they hold the polynucleotide chains of DNA together. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the content area of life science for the Praxis 5436 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel well equipped and well prepared for exam day. Bye for now.